back to our channel. It's Z and Abs, our Zabs project, bringing you another episode of our under 10-minute build. This one is a Nissan Skyline R33, originally a GTS and non-turbo 5-speed manual, and it is one of the box standard GTS Nissan Skylines that you can get out there on the market. When we first got it, it was all original 109 in white, and it was absolutely a beauty to drive. Gearbox was smooth, power steering was smooth, it had no knocks and bangs. But I'm going to keep this car standard. We were going to do mods to it, and obviously typical us, it had to be a GTR replica. So we bought original GTR side skirts, which was plastic, original GTR front bumper, again, which was plastic, with the original front lip. That cost us arm and a leg. Now, to get the original GTR rear arches in metal, it is very, very rare to get hold of them. So we ended up buying a fiberglass rear arches. We put them on the car. Then we plastered the whole car white. And to be honest with you, it wasn't too bad. It was all right. But obviously the paint reaction on the plastic dip, first time using it, it wasn't all that. So we removed all the plastic dip. Then we reassessed the car. We said, you know what? We don't like the body kit that's on it. Especially the front wings. They just didn't look nice. They didn't wrap the arch around the wheel nicely. So we removed all that. We got some nice Z-Tune wings. We put the Z-Tune wings on it. Some nice deep dish 18-inch alloys with gold inserts, and they were polished out rims. But those dish on the polish, they obviously corroded, so we had to redo them again. We had a nice 5-inch exhaust. We got that put on there. We found a nice carbon fiber bonnet from a GTR. We got that on there. We found a front grille on the GTR. We got that on there. Once we completed the body kit, we said, you know what, the stance of the car is not looking good. We ended up buying some coilovers. We got the coilovers, we lowered the car, and then it just gave the aggressive look on the car that was meant to be. Now, coming to the rear, what we did, we found a nice, I can't remember what the rear bumper was called now, to be honest with you, but it was a nice bumper. So we bought that from eBay. We put that on the car, and it changed the look from the rear. Absolutely gave it that aggressive look, just what we were looking for. We also got spats with the rear bumper. We put them on. Coming to the side again, we had the GTR wings, but it just wasn't giving that aggressive look. So we ended up buying side skirt add-ons. Now, the minute we put that side skirt add-ons on, the car gave that aggressive look that we were looking for. And just look at the car. And we got the full body kit completed. It's all on there. And just look how aggressive it looks. This car sitting nicely, not too low, but nicely. The arches are wrapped on the tyres. It's about, I think, 1.5 2 inches off the ground. It just gave that aggressive look with the Z-Tune wings. Okay, so once we put the body kit in, what's next? Paint. So we were originally wanted to paint not matte black, to be honest with you. We were going to go with LP2, Midnight Purple. We were contemplating either Midnight Purple, Bayside Blue, or a Midnight Blue. Now, me and Abs, we love the purple look. The Midnight Purple, when it's dark, it looks black. When the sun reflects off it, it gives a nice purple shine to it. Now, before we were going to give it to a garage to get it done, we thought, you know what, we've never tried a full respray. Let's try a matte black. Just get a base coat on there, and let's see how it looks and what other imperfections on the bodywork do we need. So we painted the whole car matte black. Now, once we've done the matte black, we said, you know what, we're missing the side grills on the Z-Tune wings, so we cut some mash grill out. We put them on there, and we thought, you know what, we're going to do a slightly different touch to it. So we sprayed them red, put them on the wing, and perfect. Look at that. It just gave that nice aggressive look from the side. So we're just test fitting the wings at the moment. And we're just checking it out. Does that red go with it? And we liked it. We liked that red. It was nice. Now, coming back to the engine. So like I said earlier, it was a GTS. It was a non-turbo. And we got it converted into a turbo, single turbo conversion. The single turbo conversion that we utilized on this car was from an R34. So we found a full setup of original R34 GTT turbo with the intercooler pipes. Obviously, we upgraded the intercooler later on. We got the big mouth intercooler at the front. We gave it to one of our buddies who's a mechanic, he knows what he's doing. So he converted that into the turbo, and we had this car with the R34 turbos. The only thing we had to do was remapping the ECU, so we got the map on the ECU done, and the car was an absolutely beast. To be honest with you, this car had a low compression on the engine originally of being a GTS. So we didn't need to tweak the engine. We had it in a low PSI bar anyway, so we weren't going to race with it. It was just perfect. Now, we're just doing extra mode. We wanted to do LEDs, garnish in the center bit. We put that on there. We wanted to do LEDs on the indicators. We got them on there. And we have made a video on this, how to do the LED garnish conversion. And it is on our channel. So if you need to look at further how to do it, step-by-step guide, have a look at our other videos on the channel, and it's on there. But I mean, look at that. That looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Skyline sticking out from far out. You can't go wrong with that. Now, we gave the car a quick wash, and originally we were going to give this car to the bodywork to get an LP2 done. But one of our good buddies, he wanted to take over the project. He looked at it, he loved it. So he took it off us. I mean, right now, as you can see, the paintwork is crisp, but the rear arches on the side skirts, they were nasty, they were crusty. And we really needed to work on that, but we were going to originally give it to a bodywork to get that done. We didn't want to get our hands dirty and filling and doing all that job, trying to smooth the rear arches off. We didn't want to mess it up. So what we did, our buddy had taken the car off us, and then he got the car painted full black. And I'll put some quick photo shots on how it looks once it's completed. So I mean, as you can see, the paint come out really good, to be honest with you, but the rear arches, they were nasty on both sides. So they needed work on it. The spoiler touch, the side skirts, the front wings, the bumper, that was crisp. The rear arches were really, really nasty. The front bonnet needed work on it as well. But I will put, like I said, I put some more photo shots on how the car looked once our buddy took it. He gave it to a garage. They did the whole car, full respray, done the rear arches nicely, and it's all nice and crisp, and they looked absolutely beautiful. To be honest with you, it took my heart away, and I wanted to buy the car back. But, we had too many projects, so we thought, you know what, rather than bringing that back, let's continue with other projects and see how that goes. But I hope you enjoyed this episode, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And comment, let us know what you think of this under 10-minute build on this Nissan Skyline R33 GTS converted into a R34 Turbo. With the mods that we've done, I know it looks really bad, the rear arches do. But like I said, carry on watching the video and look at the end shots. Now these are shots of how it looked, the journey of the car, of the project, how it turned out to be matte black. And as you can see, the front's not too bad to me, but have a look towards the end and tell me what you think of the end result.